Hey. Yeah, you've been sitting out here a long time. I'm starting to get worried. You're fine? I don't know if I quite believe that, but I'll take your word for it. It's so nice out here. The campfire, the heat, the warmth, the company. All of it's just great. I've got you, I've got Jack. Honestly, two of my best friends. What more could I ever need? So, in all seriousness, how are you doing? You doing okay? Just thinking? So, tell me, what's in your mind? Not something you quite feel comfortable about talking with? Or quite feel comfortable about talking about? Excuse me, I can't English tonight. I'm too tired for it. You're fine? You don't want to talk about it? I get you. God, the fire's so nice. Yeah, it's not often that I get to go out, you know? Come out like this, with great friends, cook some hot dogs over a fire, make some s'mores. You know, typical, stereotypical camping shit, you know? Hey, don't make fun of me. Yeah, I like being outside, sure, but I don't do it much. Then why don't I go out more? See, there's this little thing called I'm lazy, and I like being attached to a screen all day as well. I really am, thankful for you coming out. Sure. No, thank you. I need that, actually. I left mine in my tent, and I touched some moss. I very desperately need the Gernex. Thank you very much. So, you want to come back to the tents? Go to sleep? Not quite yet. Okay. Ugh. Then I'll just, sit out here and wait for you, okay? I'll just be right here next to you. May as well keep you company, you know? What? I guess it goes off. Get off of your chest. Ah. I didn't realize I fell over and started to... I'm so sorry. Are you sure it's okay? You sure? Alright. Why am I looking at you like... What? What? Like oh. Damn it. Okay, yes, fine. I really like you. And I didn't want to say anything and possibly ruin our friendship that we've spent years just developing, and all this time we've spent getting closer and closer. I didn't want to chance ruining it because of what, you know? You either like me or you don't, and that latter option could go one of two ways, and I'm just terrified it was gonna go the bad way. So, yeah, I like you a lot. A whole lot. You mean a lot to me. You've been there through my high points, and you've seen me at my lowest. And you haven't moved even once. You've always stayed by my side. And I can't thank you enough for that. Remember 2 years ago when I just came out of a really bad relationship and you spent almost a whole week in a row at my house just making sure I was okay? That's about when it started. You were there for me when I needed someone most. You were there when I felt the worst about myself. You have been nothing if not an amazing person in my life. Someone who means the world to me, you know? And even if you don't share these feelings that I have, and it's a one-sided thing, I'm fine as long as we can stay friends, you know? thank you for at least listening to me. I don't... What? You do? Oh, no way. Oh my god. Oh yes, thank God. uh, we need to sleep first, but we can absolutely talk about us later, okay? Thank you for giving me a chance. Good night.